Good morning guys! This is Herbert, ang Becky Farmer ng BEKISHIRE Nature Farm. So welcome back to my channel. For today's episode, we are going to do how to divide or make new beehive of stingless bees. So here it is. Ayan, so ready na ako kasi the stingless bee, a-attack kasi sila eh. Merong attack bee sila. So ayokong masabunutan ang buhok ko. Manipis na nga yung buhok ko. Ayokong sabunutan ng mga ang dami sa katutak na stingless bee. So ito na. Okay, as you can see, this is our beehive from the giant bamboo pole. So we are trying to pinapalabas namin yung mga attack stingless bee sa kanilang hive sa entrance using a clever technique. So we use empty plastic bottle na may butas puwet. At nilalagay namin ng net sa puwet para hindi sila makalabas. And at the same time, makabreathe sila. So what we're trying to do now is we're going to put yung wet na clay na lupa sa gilid ng bibig or lid ng bottle para hindi makalabas sa gilid yung mga stingless bees na potential na aatakihin kami kasi binulabog namin ang kanilang beehive. So as you can see, my farmer parang nagtatap siya para ma-disturb yung mga army bees. So, mga 5 minutes at naglalabasan na sila. Of course, also yung bottle, nilalagyan namin ng black cloth or any cloth that will shade the stingless bees inside the bottle from the exposure sa sun. At the same time, nilalagay namin ito sa shade after mapuno ang bottle. So normally, turnaround time para maubos namin, matrap lahat yung mga attack stingless bees is around 5 minutes according sa research ko. Siya nga pala, by the way, regarding sa stingless bees, the good thing about this stingless bee is hindi siya pareho sa mga other European bee species na, of course, nagsisting. So ito is very easy to manage. Hindi ka magkakaroon ng mga sting or kagat ng mga bubuyog. Ano yan, te? Bakit may rhythm yung pagkakatok mo sa bamboo? Musical instrument ba to, te? Musician ka, girl? Going to put another bottle. Sige, let's put the lid. Takpan na natin. Wala naman. Ayan, pero parang talagang lumalabas. Courtesy of Miranda. Container. Ay na, usap na lang nilalag. Ako naman ang bukod pero
kadagan, tagasawam ka sa pa.
Daig.
Baak mo niya.
The reason why is konti lang lumalabas ng stingless bee is because half of the worker bees and attack bees is on the field working. So we don't know yung hive pala nila is hinahati na pala. So kalahati na nagtatrabaho sa labas. Naghahanap buhay. Ito yung mga natira. Yung mga stingless bee na day off. Ang nabulabog. So, nilagay namin dun sa sa shady area yung isang bottle kanina. Yan, binabang pa rin para maglalabas. So, konti na lang natira. So, okay siguro yun. Pwede natin biyakin. We're going to split it in half na. So, tapos na. Wala nang laman. So, ipas lang, ipahigda. So, ilagay mo doon. Oh. Yan, ilagay namin muna doon sa lilim. So, tatanggalin na namin ang bamboo. Kailangan kag kutsilyo, kuya. So, we're going to use a knife to crack it open. Ayan. Wow! So this is the
Attacking dan.
So ayan, this is the colony. So many Wow, this is a 3-year-old beehive. Kamo, dato na mo palayo na mo. Gusto mo sulod na sa inyong dalunggan og ilong, bahala mo. See, okay, this time since maraming itlog, maraming brown, so this is the brown eggs. There are two kinds of stingless bee egg, may brown at saka yellowish white. So, kapag brown, kagaya nito, kasama yan, yan, is mga bata pa. Tapos, the stingless bee workers were going to, tatanggalin nila yung wax ng surface ng ng mga brown eggs. Magiging yellowish na siya. So, yan yung yung mag-hatch na. So, ayan. So, ito yung egg. Ito yung asan ba yung propolis dyan? This is the propolis. Also, the pollen is somewhere here. Yan naman siguro yung ano ba to? Pollen ba to? Parang bato. Dito nakalagay, no? Dito nakalagay. Solidified na yata yung pollen. Anyway, so we're going to divide this. Maghahanap kami ng itlog ng reyna, which is 3 times bigger than the eggs ng mga worker bees. As you can see, ayan. So, mamaya na. So, this is the honey. So, yan. Ito yung
Narayang. Laray na yang.
So, we found the queen. Yan ang queen. So, siya ang matitira sa lumang hive.
Tingnan ba?
Then we're going to check eggs dito. Yan, that's the queen. Actually, it's our first time to split our one and only beehive ng stingless bee. At least we determine sana yung reyna dyan kanina. And then ito yung so many eggs, thousands of eggs. So ito yung naka-connect na honey at saka pollen, naka-mix with water. So dito pinapakain yung yung mga larva with honey. So hahatiin namin to ng half. We're going to put it on a new hive here. And then maglalagay rin kami ng propolis at saka pollen, honey. Ilagay namin dyan. And then we're going to close it up. So make sure na hindi nakalabas yung queen. Yung queen, hindi siya makakalabas talaga o mga escape kasi wala siyang pakpak. Saan na ba yung queen? Nagtatago. Kanina andun yun. Oh, hinahinaya lang. As best as you could. Okay, so we're going to start to as best as we could separate kalahati ng itlog para i-transfer sa panibagong hives. Carefully and softly, ha? Ayan.
Guys!
Can you see a queen egg? Kasi it's 3 times bigger than the... Ayan.
Ay, mas ikaw ka Panginoon sa inyo. Ano?
Okay. Ilagay sa halakol. Hindi ka nagbutas ng entrance. Ibalik sa...
Da, nagbuhay man!
So this is the
Saba ra mo na.
brown eggs. Yan. Hanap kami ng queen egg. So yan, nakuha namin kalahati. Asan na yung entrance?
Nara.
Yun ang entrance. Diyan ilagay, oh. Diyan, harap. Yan. Pwede pahiga na lang, te. Kuya. Ay, sorry. Pahiga na lang ganyan. Ayan. So, ito yung entrance. Lagay namin dito yung egg. So, maglalagay kami dito. Katabi niya yung pollen. So, kukuha kami ng pollen honey. Putulin mo lang siya, ganyan. Mga konti lang. Yan. Tapos ilalagay natin dito. Diyan. Since hindi masyado marami.
Grabe pilita siya.
So, manguha kami ng propolis sa sides dito. Nilagay kami dyan. We're going to smear it here also. At saka sa labas ng entrance. Kasi propolis is like the smell of the propolis attracts them to go inside. So we're going to make a separate video of how to put propolis on a bamboo pole para mag-attract ng mga stingless bee to create a new colony within the span of 1 month. So you have to find another colony na may entrance. I-smear namin yung ganyan ng propolis. So, kasi ito is, we're splitting the hive. We're going to make a new colony by trapping new, stingless bee. Pero, we're going to smear propolis lang. So, that one is a different method. So, ayan, this is the egg, the propolis, pollen, and honey. Para makabuo ng bagong hive. So as you can see here,
Di na?
this is with the honey, with the eggs So they are feeding it with honey and propolis.
Ini butang.
Ibalik na lang ako.
Ini dia ni.
Ayan, so ibabalik na namin yung yung old hive. I-close na namin. O, close na, te.
Tara.
So we're also closing the hive here as well. And then i-close namin yan. Ito. Dikit. Yan. So may propolis na kasi siya dito. So ididikit na namin siya pabalik. Didikit na siya kusa. Asan ba yung entrance nito?
Pagatoy padakan.
Oh.
No.
Ayan, that's the entrance. At ito rin, na-close na rin namin. At saka yung smear na propolis. So, papasok na sila. So, kailangan magkatabi sila, siguro mga a-face away from each other. Same facing yung entrance niya at saka ito. So, we're going to put this on the original location para hindi sila mawala because memorize na nila yung location ng kanilang colony kapag half ng population ay babalik na galing sa field, nangunguha ng nectar and pollen. So, at least pagbalik dalawa na. So, they will consider this as their second hive. Once nga makapasok yung mga ibang workers dito, they will also take care of this and create a new hive. The new queen will also be emerging that and they will consider it as their own hive. So this is their second hive. So as you can see, nag-start na sila na papasok.
Balhin sila.
So, yun. Yun lang, simple lang siya. Tapos ilalagay na namin sa original location nila. Tapos, i-release na namin yung yung attack stingless bees nila sa original location, tapos papabayaan lang namin. So the new hive will normalize within 40 to 50 days. Siguro yung egg nito is around 30 to 40 days mag-hatch yung new queen dito. As far as I research. Lalagyan na namin sila sa original location ng hive nila sa to go sa beehive nila. So hindi ko na mabibideo to pagtanggal kasi they will attack us. So okay na. Yan, nalabasan na sila. Going to the pansit. Pansit. So, yun na yun, ang aming pag-split ng stingless bee into 2 hives. So, since maraming stingless bee ngayon nagliliparan, so I'm still covering my flawless, beautiful face para hindi atakin at sabunutan ng aking hair. Di naman sila nangangagat, pero pupasok sa mga iba't ibang orifice sa aking mukha, sa ilong, bibig, sa tenga. Ayoko yun. So, yun, thank you for watching, guys. So, next video is gagawa kami ng ibang method. So, if you want to see more videos, please don't hesitate to subscribe and click the bell button. So, thank you for watching sa aking channel.